What, according to you, is the one thing that Bollywood can learn from Marathi films?
I don't know, yeah, we have great talent, but there's great talent in Bollywood also.
What has been the most challenging role of your career so far?
City of Dreams third season.
सबसे पहले health ministry.
And I see Sania Malhotra.
Of
I really
course.
love her workout.
Yes.
She's amazing.
Entertainment ministry.
Kareena Kapoor.
Okay.
Hi, this is Priya Bapat and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
So we're going to end this interview with a quick rapid fire
Okay.
that I'd love to ask you. My first question to you is, explain what politics means to you in one sentence.
Politics for me is only restricted to Nagesh Kuknor and Rohit Banawalekar script.
बढ़िया,
That is
बहुत
politics
बढ़िया,
for me.
बहुत बढ़िया. If you had to star in a remake of a classic Marathi movie, which one would you pick?
Banwa Banvi.
Hi.
But then I want to play Sachin Sir's part. I don't know how I'll do that, but I want to play that part.
Lovely. Okay. According to you, which celebrity should be handed over to the following ministries? सबसे
Oh.
पहले health ministry.
And I see Sania Malhotra.
Of
I really
course.
love her workout.
Yes.
She's amazing.
Entertainment ministry.
Kareena Kapoor.
Okay. What, according to you, is the one thing that Bollywood can learn from Marathi films?
I don't know, yeah, we have great talent, but there's great talent in Bollywood also. You can't really say that. In fact, I would like to say that if we are in Marathi industry are given bigger budgets like Bollywood, it would be so much
Acha.
better. Ulta.
Acha. If you had to debut with any political figure, who would it be for a
No,
film?
Nobody.
Nobody.
No. Why? I want actors. Why would I
Politicians
want
are also
politicians?
actors. You didn't know that?
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay. According to you, what has been the most challenging role of your career so far?
City of Dreams third season.
Really?
Yeah. I think I'll say Kakasparsha at that point of time, Vazandar at that point of time. But if I see my graph now, I mean, of all these years, then City of Dreams third season was the most challenging and the toughest part, even more than the first and the second part.
According to you, who is the best political leader India has witnessed so far?
I don't know.
इतने एकदम नहीं बनी ये politician बनने वाली है ये. If Purnima had a younger version or if there was a prequel, do you think Ketki Mategaonkar would have played it?
No. No.
Because that's the trend.
I know, that's the trend. But I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it depends on who Nagesh Kuknur wants to cast actually, more than who I want.
Are you getting the kind of roles that you wished for?
I am. I think in this 1 year or 1.5 year, you will see good releases in a good lineup. But I wouldn't say that I'm satisfied. I want to do more good work. And I think with the amount of hard work that I put in, with so much honesty, I think I deserve more. And I will work harder towards it. So.
Did you get affected by the mixed response that you received for the kissing scenes in the City of Dreams?
No, I didn't. I mean, as I said, I got affected only for a day. After that, I was okay with it.
Okay.
See, I think everything that you do on screen with your full awareness, you should own it. And I own it.
Munna Bhai MBBS or Lage Raho Munna Bhai?
I think Lage Raho Munna Bhai because...
Not for your performance, as a film.
MBBS.
Okay, now for your performance?
Not for my performance. I was going to say that because for the first Munna Bhai MBBS, I didn't even realize what I was doing. In the second one, at least I was little grown up and I knew, acha, mera director kuch bol raha hai, so this is what I should perform. So I think with that, second.
Daily soaps or movies?
Movies.
Time Pass 2 or Time Please?
Time Please.
Time Please. Lovely. You did great.
Thank you. Hi, this is Priya Bapat and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.